Have you got a USB printer and you're trying to figure out how to get it working with your Chromebook? Yeah, Chromebooks work a little different than regular Windows or Mac computer. But don't worry, because connecting a USB printer is actually pretty simple once you know the steps. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Also, if you're unable to complete the connection even after watching the video, then feel free to dial the numbers on the screen for real-time expert assistance. Alright then, let's connect your Chromebook and print now.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Connect your printer and Chromebook using a USB cable. Once connected, you'll see a USB printer connected notification pop up. Click on the clock in the lower right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. In the settings screen, expand Advanced from the left panel. Open the printing folder and click on Printers. Click on Add Printer. A new Add Printer window will pop up. Type in your printer's name. Enter the IP address. Leave the protocol and queue settings as they are, then click Add. You might also get an option to fill in the advanced printer configuration. Fill in your printer's manufacturer details. Select your model and click Add, and you're all set.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.